This bikini, a bookmark shaped as a bikini bottom, came across my Pinterest feed and I became obsessed. With the help of my mom, we created a crochet pattern. This project is so unbelievably easy. I literally learned how to crochet 2 months ago. I've made about 4 or 5 of these bikinis to perfect this pattern. Disclaimer, it's still not perfect, so I'm open to your suggestions. We're going to start with the band. Start your project with a slip knot, then do 4 chains. Next, single crochet into each of the first 3 chains like so. Then do 1 chain to move up a row. Flip the band and repeat 3 single crochets into the row, finish with 1 chain to move up. Repeat this for 90 rows. Before you get scared, it's not that many. It sounds like a lot, but it will go by so quickly, I promise you. If it doesn't, you can call me out in the comments. Once your 90 rows are complete, single crochet the band together. Make sure that the band is not twisted before you do this. Do 1 chain and cut the yarn. You now have a band to your bikini. Way to go! Next, we'll do the back of the bikini. First, you want to hold the band together like so. From each end, count 4 rows in and mark the stitch with a stitch marker. You do not need anything fancy. I'm literally using a stick. You can use a bobby pin, another crochet hook, whatever you have on hand. This ensures that we have an even bikini. Create a slip knot in the first stitch, then single crochet all the way to the other stitch marker. Make 1 chain to move to the next row. In this row, we're going to decrease. It's really simple. Move into the first stitch as if it were a single crochet. Before you complete the crochet, move into the next stitch as if it were a single crochet and complete this one. Continue with single crochets until you get to the last 2 stitches. Repeat the steps at the beginning of the row. Decreasing on both sides makes the bikini narrow more quickly and keeps it even and neat. End with 1 chain and repeat, decreasing each row for 10 whole rows. After you get 13 rows decreasing, it's time to do 12 rows normal, like this. At this point, your bikini should look a little bit like this. We're close to being done. Now we are going to increase our rows to create the front of the bikini. To increase, you simply make 2 single crochets into the first and last stitch of each row, just like this. Continue doing this for 20 rows. I'm no crochet expert. Like I said, I started 2 months ago and this isn't a perfect pattern. But what I've loved about this project is I've been able to practice multiple basic crochet stitches and patterns. It has single crochets, double crochets, increases, and decreases. It's also a great way to familiarize yourself with rows and stitches and how they look, because I found that very confusing at first. Okay, when your 20 rows are up, it's time to single crochet the front of the bikini to the band. Measure it up with your stitch markers to make sure everything is even. Simply single crochet together, ending with 1 chain. Now you have the base of your bikini. You can stop here if you'd like, or you can add these simple but cute scallops around the edges. To do so, simply create a slip knot in one of your stitches, double crochet into the next stitch 5 times, then single crochet into the following stitch. Skip the next stitch and double crochet 5 times into the following stitch. Single crochet into the next one and skip the next stitch. Repeat this all around before fastening off. And now you have an adorable bikini. I've had so much fun with this project, and I'm still perfecting it, though I've made quite a few good ones. Trust me when I say that it is so easy. I am a newbie crocheter, so if I can do this, you can do this too. And if you happen to be a crochet expert and have any feedback, tips, or suggestions, I would absolutely love to hear them. Thank you for watching, and stay crafty this summer.